February 10th, 2025, Edmonds, Washington. A woman walked out of Safeway without paying for deli food. A store employee followed her on foot and watched her enter a nearby motel. Officers made contact at the motel door. She matched the description exactly: black jacket, small dog. 3 distinct legal issues define everything that followed.
Okay.
Okay, 10 minutes? Okay, Dad. Okay, Dad.
Unknown race, female, black jacket, with a dog. So right now you're just being detained, okay? I don't know if it's you or not, but
Yeah,
there was
no.
reports of a theft at Safeway, and the individual watched the female.
If you detain another person
Yeah.
by that description, I maybe for 18.
Okay. All right, cool. Yeah, we'll just get it together. That's right.
Thank
And
you.
you're wearing a black jacket and you have a dog.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. Thank you.
All right, yeah, for sure. We're just hanging out right here for
Okay.
a second. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good. Thanks. Hey, fuckers. Hey, so, who stays in 18? What, did you recently just see her walk?
No,
With her dog?
but I do know that she does wear a black jacket and she also has a small dog.
Okay. Was she wearing a face covering?
I'm not sure about that one. The only other woman... Gosh, there's a lot of women with dogs around here. Okay, so we have a couple of them. Face mask. So I'll write down the numbers
Okay.
that I
Yeah,
can...
great.
Do you have immediate access to like review the cameras?
do you know what time it happened? Like when she came?
Like 5-10 minutes ago?
Yeah, like right before he got here.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so do you remember seeing anyone?
No,
So then it must have been before you.
before me, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So
So probably 15 minutes.
Maybe 15. Yeah, yeah. Do you stay here?
No, my dad does.
Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking it's not you.
Okay.
But, yeah, thanks for being chill with
Yeah,
us.
it's cool. No mask, but you know, it's cool.
It's close enough to where
Yeah,
it's
I
like,
got
all right,
it.
let
I
us
get
just
it.
look at the video over there real
Hey,
quick.
people
you know?
walk around all the time. I mean, I don't know. Yeah. I don't know.
I know, I was walking past and not expecting to see someone wearing a black jacket holding a dog.
Yeah,
and I was
yeah.
like, okay.
Oh, there's that. And he's like, well, I can think of a few people that
Yeah, I know.
they might have gone past here. Well, I don't know. I guess if she saw them come here, I don't know.
Yeah, it sounds like
I just
she
know they all kind
followed
of
him
blend
and
once
just-
you bend the
yeah,
corner.
that's true.
But they all kind of
Well, yeah.
blend
Said
into
she
one.
went into a room.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. Well,
Yeah, those guys don't mess around.
yeah, no, I know. I know. I've seen them.
Yeah. Yeah. Depending on what manager's working there, they get after it, so.
I still remember, this is like 6 years ago, back at Winco.
Yeah.
Like, I witnessed this guy get took down by...
Winco
and I was
is
like,
crazy.
what?
Not mess around with Winco. It's like, they have the craziest cameras too.
They
and
do,
like,
yeah.
their security guys, when they're on duty, it's like, they handle business.
It's like a
for
full-time
sure.
job for them. Yeah.
I like going there because they have everything like packaged ready to go for us. Like they have
Oh,
the
sweet.
video, they have their statements. It's like, all right, cool.
They know what they need.
Yeah.
It's important. Super important. The Starbucks, I got Starbucks.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, that's you.
It might be, but I don't have a jacket. I don't have a furry jacket like that.
Those are
but-
the same pants,
Same
same shoes,
Okay.
same
But I didn't-
dog.
Okay, look, so I didn't take anything out with me, except
They
for my
said
Starbucks that I paid for.
They said that you took deli food.
No. I promise to you that I didn't take deli food. All I had was my Starbucks, and that's it. That is all. I have no reason, because, look, I know better. Like I just said to you, I know better. I know how it is there.
Okay.
Sorry, this is
Well, our
ridiculous.
partner's watching video.
Yeah, no,
and if
yeah.
He has probable cause, and you're going to be under arrest for theft.
Okay.
First, was the stop lawful? Terry v. Ohio, 1968, allows brief detention based on specific, articulable facts suggesting criminal activity. Not a hunch. Specific facts. The tip came from an identified store employee who personally watched the theft and followed the suspect on foot. Florida v. JL, 2000. Identified eyewitnesses carry far more legal weight than anonymous tips. The stop was clean. Second, probable cause for arrest. Officers had it from 3 independent sources: the employee account, surveillance footage reviewed at the store, and the subject's own post-Miranda statements. Washington Revised Code. Section 9. A 56050, theft in the third degree, is complete when someone exits past the point of purchase without paying. Dropping items in the parking lot afterward is not a defense. The offense was already done. United States v. Jacobson, 1984. Property abandoned after a completed offense carries no Fourth Amendment protection. Officers recovered the jacket, the bag, and still warm chicken tenders she had not disclosed. All of it was lawfully seized.
Okay.
All right. Let's have you step out and
Okay.
go through the process here.
Is my dog? Oh.
Is your dog okay in here?
I don't know. That's up to them. It's not up to me. So I just want to make sure. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. Is she okay in here?
Yep, she'll be fine. All right, stay right there. Just put your hands behind your back for her. So my partner does have probable cause for theft 3, okay? Those fit okay?
Yeah, it's fine. Thank you for asking.
Okay. So right now you're under arrest for the theft, okay? My partner's over there right now going to review video and all that, and then he will come over here. So yeah, she's under arrest for the theft. I'm just going to be upfront and honest with you right now. If you don't have any outstanding warrants or anything like that, then you'll likely just get a citation and be on your way.
Okay.
So
I don't have any.
you don't have any?
No, I do not.
Okay.
No.
Do you want to go to your car and
Sure,
then
yeah.
do a search, and then we'll get your information and all that good stuff?
Sure. I mean, you can check for me. That'd be cool, but I don't think I do. Oh,
Yeah, no, for sure.
And then you're walking.
Okay, if you
Okay.
could just go the other side.
She's pushing me this way. You're walking that way. I'm confused.
I need to grab a...
Perfect.
Wanna do a search on you?
Yep. Have the phone.
What's your last name?
There's a pipe in there, so.
Okay.
That's what this all. There's nothing dangerous. No drugs. No. Not that you can believe me, but.
Okay. Okay, Alice, I just wanna sit you in my car for now.
Okay. Oh, do I have to sit all the way in, or?
Oh, how easy yours?
Because I do have another person here. Yeah, because she went over there.
Because it's the same shoes, same pants,
No, I do not.
same dog, just wearing the vest.
I mean, yeah, but the dog is not the same.
The dog is the same.
It is the same?
Yeah, watch.
Oh, I see. Okay. All right.
Same dog, just wearing a shirt.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
So she says her dad is living here or staying
Yeah.
here. What room?
He stays in number 16. Sorry, so that's kind of why I was confused because his dad is, or her dad is right next to 18.
Her dad's next to 18.
So he's 16, and then the person I thought might have had the dog that fit the description was in 18.
Okay. What way did she come in from?
So she can't. From the security footage, it seems like she was coming in from that direction.
Her. Where did she come from? The room up here.
I didn't see her like come like this
Okay.
way, but I can still review the footage because I think she did come in through this way.
How far does your cameras go down? Does it go like all the way down to the rooms?
But we don't have any cameras that face directly
That
at
way?
the ones.
So
Yeah.
you wouldn't have a camera that shows like room 16 where she might have entered.
She didn't go in because she doesn't have the key to the room, and he's recently changed the locks because he said that people.
Well, he might have let her in.
No, he's not there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so nobody's let her into the room, and then she came in asking me if I would let her into.
Yeah. Cool. Thank you.
Real quick, so I'm just going to read you your Miranda, okay?
Is there name under arrest?
Yeah,
Okay.
for the theft, yes.
Oh, okay. So then, wait. Can you repeat to me what you said before? You said if I have no warrants, then I'll get a.
Yeah, it's going to be up to the arresting officer, but usually in these circumstances, you'll likely get a citation for theft, so you'll get a court date.
Oh, good. Okay.
And then you'll be on your
I just
way
don't
with
wanna
your
lose my
dog and all that
dog.
stuff. Yeah, I get
Yeah,
that. So
okay.
we'll work with you on that, okay?
Please, thank you.
So right now you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. Do you understand your rights?
Yes.
Do you want to talk to me about what's going on here?
I already did.
What's that?
I already did.
Okay. I mean, I would like to ask you more questions. Are you willing to answer them or no?
Oh, sure.
Okay, so we established that you were at Safeway,
Yes.
and your claim was that you got Starbucks. Is that
Yep,
correct?
I got Starbucks.
What'd you get at Starbucks?
White chocolate mocha.
White chocolate mocha. Did you get any food?
No, I was going to, but
Nothing?
she said the system wasn't working or whatever for the.
Okay. Did you go anywhere else in the store other than Starbucks, or did you go just into the Starbucks?
Yeah, no, I
there?
did. I went to the deli. I did.
went to the deli?
Yep, and then I proceeded to the deli, and then before I left, I dropped it because I knew that I shouldn't walk off with it, so I dropped it.
Okay. What'd you grab at the deli?
JoJo's.
JoJo's?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I
the
got 3 JoJo's for
potato,
my dog,
the potato
yeah.
things.
Yeah.
So where did you drop it at
Right
exactly?
out here by this corner, not on the corner, but by the corner here.
Okay, so you took the JoJo's from the
Yes,
store,
I
though.
did.
You exited
Yes,
and then you dropped
But I
them.
dropped them on the property. Like I dropped them still in the parking. Like
So before you crossed the street?
Correct.
Okay, but you walked
she
out
asked me.
through
That's
the
when
front
she asked
doors?
me to drop it, and then I dropped it. I didn't hear anybody behind me.
Yeah.
And then when she asked me to drop it, I dropped it. And then
Okay.
she just kept following me, and I was like, "You asked me to drop it. It's there." Like,
Gotcha.
and then she left. She disappeared. So I
Okay.
don't know where she went.
Right. So, again, just recap.
Yes.
JoJo's,
Yes.
you walked out from the deli,
Yes.
past the exit.
Yes.
The manager followed you, and then
yes,
you're
yeah.
saying you dropped it at the corner
Yep.
before you crossed the street.
Yep.
Okay. All right, cool. Sounds good. All right, hang tight for me, okay?
Thank you.
Yep.
I have the jacket and bag over here at 22. Yeah, it's all sitting right here.
Perfect.
With the dog, the jacket, the bag that she was leaving with, her coffee sitting right there on the bottom, the bag, yeah, the Safeway bag that she had in her hand, and I don't know whose purse
Still
this is.
warm.
I didn't see her with a purse.
Really quick.
Yeah.
You've been really good.
Yeah.
You've been nice.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
But we found the jacket that you were wearing, your dog's coat, and then the reusable bag, and then there's also chicken tenders in there, hot chicken tenders from
Okay.
Safeway.
Okay.
Did you take those as well?
No.
Because they're so hot to
I
the touch,
dropped
and they
them.
have the Safeway. Well, they're in your bag. That's right here.
Okay, I dropped them at the stop sign there. I thought I dropped everything.
Oh,
Like, I
okay.
swear
Well,
to
you
God.
had just told me the JoJo's,
Yeah.
nothing else.
Well, that's just it. I had.
Not that it really matters. It's still a theft 3, but
Yeah,
there's
yeah.
there's hot chicken tenders
Okay,
in
I
your
don't-
bag or whatever. I was just curious
Okay.
what's up with those.
I don't know.
You
I- 'cause
remember
I-
taking those too or what?
I don't. Honestly, all I was worried about was the fact that I dropped them at the corner. So
Okay.
I don't know. I don't think I had anything else.
Okay,
on me.
no,
I
that's
apologize.
fair. Yeah, no, it's all good. All right, cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. Where do you get mail? Where's your home or place that you get mail? Do you get mail here?
No.
No?
This I don't live here.
Okay.
I get mail at Republican.
Phone number?
I don't have one right now.
She doesn't have a good phone number right now.
I have like a texting number.
Whatever. Give us.
Like a Wi-Fi number.
Yeah. All right. Cool. All right. Thanks.
Yep.
All right. Bye. My partner, we're just giving her a citation and then letting her go. So he's just at Safeway finishing up a paper.
You're not taking her anywhere.
No, she's not going to jail. No, she's just getting a court date.
Okay. Where?
Is it your daughter?
Yeah, why?
We have her in the back of our car.
What'd you do?
She did a theft from Safeway.
A what?
She stole from Safeway.
I guess you
We're just giving her a citation and letting her go, though. We're not taking her to jail, so she's gonna have a court date. It's simple theft. I mean, she
Need your ass
stole
whooped.
some deli items, some food. So
Your ass, I'm getting too old to do it though.
yeah.
But you're one of the ones that make me laugh the most.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so you're gonna let her go?
Yeah, we are. Yep.
Thank you.
Can one of you grab the dog and bring it to the room or something, just so it's not in there, or no?
I can't carry him. Come on, George. Can you carry the dog?
That way, a manager doesn't have to guard him.
Alright, thank you. Don't let him.
Alright, so before I take you out of handcuffs, go ahead and place the car. Before I take you out of handcuffs, I'm going to explain this to you, okay? So this is a citation for theft. It's also a trespass notice from Safeway. So don't go back to Safeway if they call you, or if they call us, you could get arrested for trespassing. You commit a crime and could be a felony for loitering.
Oh, the chemicals are gentlemen. Wow. Okay.
Alright,
5-4 today.
there's yours.
And your dad has your dog back in the room.
Not in the office. With me.
Yeah, it's with your dad. Yeah.
Yours are awesome. Thank you.
All right, thank
Sorry
you.
about that.
Yep. Thanks, guys.
Third issue, the most legally significant, the Miranda warning at roughly 7 minutes into the footage was incomplete. 2 of the 4 required components were never delivered. Miranda versus Arizona, 1966 mandates 4 warnings before custodial questioning. The right to remain silent, that statements can be used against you, the right to an attorney, and the right to appointed counsel if you cannot afford one. Only the first 2 were given. The subject then agreed to talk. She confirmed going to the deli, taking JoJo's, and walking out without paying every element of the charge. In her own words, a defense attorney will file a suppression motion and will have a reasonable argument. The prosecution still has independent video and witness evidence, but the officer created an avoidable problem on a case that did not need one. When confronted with the chicken tenders, the subject said she thought she had dropped everything. Courts call that consciousness of guilt. Whether those statements are admissible depends entirely on the suppression ruling. Officers resolved this under Revised Code Section 1031-100 citation in lieu of physical arrest. No jail, a court date assigned. A trespass notice under Section 9 of 52080 was also issued, banning her from the Safeway property. Returning to that property is now a separate criminal offense under Washington law. Final court disposition is not publicly available at the time of this analysis. The case remains open. The officer earns an A-. The stop was justified. The arrest rested on multiple independent evidence sources. Force stayed at handcuffing only, with a comfort check. De-escalation was effective. Telling her early she would likely go home with a citation kept the entire encounter calm. The Miranda omission is the one mark against him. 2 required warnings were skipped on a routine case. A complete advisement takes 30 seconds. There is no reason to skip it, and this is exactly why. Alice Torrey receives a C+. She stayed calm and did not resist the right call. But she denied everything while evidence was accumulating, waived her rights, and confirmed the charge in her own words. The remark about thinking she had dropped everything showed she knew what she had taken. Cooperating with officers and waiving the right to remain silent are 2 entirely different decisions, with different legal consequences. She treated them as the same thing. That distinction cost her considerably in this case. For officers, all 4 Miranda warnings are required before custodial questioning. No exceptions. Skipping 2 on a routine misdemeanor turns a clean arrest into a contested suppression hearing. Read the full warning. Every time. For anyone placed under arrest, your right to silence does not depend on whether the officer recited it correctly. You can say, "I want an attorney," before I answer anything. That right belongs to you, regardless of what you were or were not told. Silence cannot be introduced as evidence of guilt at trial. Statements can. That is the entire reason Miranda exists, and this case is a clear example of why it matters every time. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.